What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Cardano ADA token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that related to the entire crypto industry and to Cardano itself. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and the probable forecast for the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we have to have a retracement in the shape of simple zigzag, and we have to have one more leg to the downside, and this might be the top of our B wave. So for now we didn't break this previous bottom, and we might have one more leg in a matter of several days or even weeks, and I will show you in my detailed technical analysis why I think so. But for now, let me remind you that I started to cover this token about a month and a half ago, and I nailed the majority. I have to say about 90% or even more movements with this token, and that is why you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence if you want to invest in this token. So, and for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. And as you can see, we are sitting at the market cap of $2.18 trillion for now. And it is a 2.1% increase over the last day. And all major cryptocurrencies are in green, except just Solana. And as you can see, it moves down. And I have to say that Solana doesn't follow Bitcoin and the entire market for about a couple of weeks. And that is why it is quite obvious movement to the downside. But all major cryptocurrencies are in green, and it is a very good sign. So let's continue with Cardano numbers. And for now it has roughly $78 billion of total market cap, and it has total tradable volume during the last 24 hours at the level of $4.17 billion, and it's up for about 12.3%. So we have a very good movement to the upside, but it is still not enough to break previous top and to create new all-time high. And just be cautious, and I think by the end of this year we will see much higher price action than we can see for now. So, and let's continue with some news. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on September 15th, and it's titled 100 Smart Contracts in First 24 Hours as ALONZO Goes Live on Cardano. And the title by itself means a lot for Cardano, and it is really bullish news. And I want to quote you just several paragraphs from this article. The emergence of D-app functionality on Cardano will no doubt drive forward Charles Hoskinson's boundless ambitions for the project, which actively seeks to engage the developing world as the central use case and user base. The IOHT team is already working extensively with the Ethiopian government to integrate blockchain technologies in national administrative infrastructure. And this comes on the tail of a huge vote of confidence for Cardano, which saw strict Japanese regulators gave it the green light for trade on Japanese markets, the fifth crypto asset ever to unlock this status. And I have to say that only these three paragraphs are extremely bullish on Cardano. And that is why you can rely on this news and on this article as a part of your due diligence. On top of that, you can find right here a lot of information about their ecosystem, and on top of that about ALONZO roadmap. So I just put the link on this article in my description, and you can do it by yourself. And for now, let me show you some disadvantages of Cardano. And we are on motleyfool.com, and this article was published on September 14th, and it's titled, Should you invest in Cardano right now? And we have several key points, and I want just pay your attention on disadvantages of Cardano. So, right here you can find that there are just several disadvantages. First of it, it's not so well known as, for example, Bitcoin. Second one is that it's quite similar to Ethereum, and it is also shows in this article as disadvantage. And I think these disadvantages is just an attempt to find at least something on Cardano network to prove that it is not a good crypto. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we are on bitfinex.com, and right here we have this movement, only one wave that was finished right here in the middle of May, then second movement from this bottom to this top. And with the assumption that this was only the first wave and this is the second, we might have our major targets right here. First of all, at 1.618 extension level. And second one, I didn't even mark it for now, because it is far ahead, at the level of $7.33. So, why I'm bearish in the short term with Cardano? Let me show you this. If I switch to Binance Exchange, right here we have more data related to Cardano movement, and let me show you that we are on 4 hours time frame. Let's switch to daily time frame, and let me show you this. If I turn on the log scale, right here we can see clear 5 waves from the bottom of mid-March 2020 till the end of August 2021. We have completed all 5 waves. And according to Elliott wave theory, we might have the retracement for the entire movement from this bottom to this top. And that is why, as you can see, I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and with this random week, we hit only 0.382 level. It is a very bullish retracement, I have to say, but I have some doubts, because as you can see, we have clear waves, and we can see clear waves. And this movement from this bottom to this top was made for about 143 days. And the retracement lasts for about 57 days. So a little bit less than half of this movement was made with this retracement. Next one, from this bottom to this top, we searched for about 230 days, and this retracement was made within 66 days. So almost 1/4 of this movement with this retracement. And for now, from the very top, from this point to the very bottom, we have only 5 days of retracement, and we have to retrace the entire movement from this bottom to this top, and we have to retrace more than 500 days. This means this movement is only 1/10 of entire structure, and that is why, in my opinion, we have to have more consolidation phase right here. We have to hover for longer period of time in order to collect more steam. Otherwise, if we will move higher from this point, we might achieve some targets, but then we will drop from the edge of the cliff. And this drop will be massive. And I think for the healthier movement to the upside, we have to hover for quite some time right here. And when we collect more steam, we will achieve more targets, and next retracement won't be so dramatic. So, and what to expect next? Let me show you more thoroughly. Let me switch again to Bitfinex exchange data, and let me show you 4 hours time frame. So, right here, as you can see, I still stand on my position that we have to have a retracement to the lowest point. And what are the key points? If we will break this resistance and this one, this means it will be the lowest point of entire retracement. And I might be completely wrong, and we won't see the retracement that deep that I project. But nevertheless, more healthier movement will be to the downside than to the upside. And in this case, if we will break these resistances that are above our current price, we will see higher targets, but I don't think that we might hit the level of 4.91. And if we will have one more leg to the downside and break the 0.5 level of around $2, this will be very healthy retracement, and this will be very good accumulation point for you as a potential long-term and even medium-term investor in Cardano. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. Just be extremely cautious, keep an eye on these levels of resistance and support. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!